Most construction delays don't start on the blueprint. They start with missing daily reports, unclear updates, and poor communication from the field. Here's the truth no one tells you. Raken is designed to fix exactly that problem. But whether it is the best daily reporting app in 2026 depends on how your team actually works on site. In this review, you'll see what Raken does well, where it falls short, and whether it is the right fit for your construction business. Let's start with what Raken is built for. It is a daily reporting and field documentation tool for contractors. The main goal is simple. Capture what happens on the job site every single day without paperwork or confusion. Now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of relying on handwritten notes or scattered messages, a site supervisor like Jake can log daily progress directly from a phone or tablet. That includes weather conditions, labor hours, equipment usage, and job site notes. Everything is stored in one structured report that the office team can instantly review. But here's the problem. Many construction teams underestimate how important consistency is. If daily reporting is not done regularly, even the best software will not fix communication gaps. Let's talk about one of Raken's strongest features: photo documentation. Workers can take photos from the job site, attach them to reports, and create a visual timeline of progress. A project manager like Alex can then review exactly what happened on site without needing to physically visit every location. This reduces confusion and helps prevent disputes with clients or subcontractors. Another key feature is time tracking. Workers can log hours directly in the app, which helps improve payroll accuracy and reduces manual entry errors in the office. But there is a trade-off. Raken focuses heavily on reporting and documentation, not full project management. That means it does not replace tools for scheduling, budgeting, or complex construction workflows. So if you are looking for an all-in-one system, Raken is not designed for that role. Now, let's talk about usability. One of Raken's biggest strengths is simplicity. Field teams do not need long training sessions. They can start logging reports within minutes. That makes it especially useful for fast-moving construction environments where time matters. So is Raken the best daily reporting app in 2026? If your biggest problem is inconsistent reporting, missing job site updates, or poor visibility from field to office, then yes, Raken is one of the strongest tools available. But if you need full project scheduling, financial tracking, or enterprise-level construction management, you will need to pair it with other software. The key takeaway is simple. Raken does not try to manage your entire construction business. It makes sure you always know what happened on site, every single day. And in construction, that level of clarity can prevent expensive mistakes. If this review helped you understand Raken better, like, comment, and subscribe for more construction software insights like this.